Ito po ang DTIP machine dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. May 17 meters kaming nairan dito this week. Ito po ang heads, capping, head clean,
Nabibilang ba dito na face mask na yung natingin?
ha?
Nabaliktad ko.
Okay naman ang nozzle check. Ink system, tama lang. Racing tank na rin every Friday. Ground wire. ABR. Temperature check. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Daily workload. Updated. Consumable withdrawal. Updated. Physical inventory. Updated. Maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.